Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 18th November 2025. India's Reliance Consumer Products or RCPL is set to enter India's fast-growing pet foods market, offering its products at up to half the prices of leading players such as Nestle, Mars, Godrej Consumer Products and Emami. Reliance has told distributors and trade channels that it is pricing its brand Waggies 20 to 50% cheaper than existing players, similar to its strategy in colas. Dulux paint maker Akzo Nobel NV is reportedly in merger talks with Axalta Coating Systems. The companies would announce a deal soon. Axalta, a coatings provider for automotive and industrial uses, saw its shares rise significantly on the news. This potential combination could reshape the paint and coatings industry. Further details on the deal value are not yet public. Stellantis, which owns automotive brands like Fiat, Jeep and Chrysler, is targeting Rs 10,000 crore in component exports from India through its suppliers in 2026. Currently, Indian suppliers contribute Rs 4,000 crore annually. Stellantis has invested heavily in India and operates manufacturing plants in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. In 2024, Stellantis shipped 10,000 fully built vehicles from India alongside 300,000 engines and powertrains. Retail investing platform Grow is one of the hottest stocks on the Indian bourses. Grow shares ripped another 17.76% on Thursday to close at Rs 174.77 apiece, extending the momentum that began with its blockbuster debut. The rally has now pushed the company's valuation to Rs 1,07,895.95 crore or about $12 billion, turning Grow into one of India's most valuable listed fintechs practically overnight. The rally has also minted a new billionaire, Lalit Keshar, co-founder and CEO of Grow, who holds 55.91 crore shares or 9.06% of the company, now sits on a stake worth roughly Rs 9,448 crore, placing him comfortably around the $1.1 billion mark at current prices. The Reserve Bank of India or RBI has issued the Trade Relief Measures Directions 2025, introducing a set of regulatory relaxations to support exporters and borrowers affected by prevailing trade and economic disruptions. The credit period for both pre-shipment and post-shipment export credit disbursed up to March 31, 2026 has been extended from 1 year to 450 days. This extension offers exporters additional time to realize export proceeds and manage working capital effectively amidst global trade uncertainties. As Dalal Street winds down from a blockbuster year of equity offerings, another kind of IPO is just beginning, one not listed on any exchange, yet commanding premium valuations. Welcome to Family IPO. India's wedding season is in full swing, projected to raise a staggering $74 billion or Rs 6.5 lakh crore over just 45 days, nearly 2% of nation's GDP. From mid-November to December, the country will host 4.5 to 6 million weddings, an average of 100,000 ceremonies a day. India's wedding industry has evolved into a powerful economic engine, so large and dynamic that a 45-day peak season alone injects more than Rs 6 lakh crore into the economy. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.